Hello, my name is Venkata Krishna Aditya Arigila. My roll number is 21EC30058 from section 18. I am going to disassemble and assemble this LED emergency rechargeable light. Let's first check the working condition. If we pull the switch down, it glows light in a dim condition, and if we push the control switch up, it glows a bit strong. Now let's check the parts of the light. The outer body of the LED light is made of plastic, and this glass is made of PMMA acrylic glass. Now let's open the LED light and check the inner parts. I opened the LED light and it looks like this. Inside here there are two batteries, one circuit board and a switch. This outer part is molded nicely such that the inner parts fit properly. Each of these batteries are 4V 1A lead acid batteries, and they both consist of a total charge 1600 mAh. Now let's further open the LED light. Here you can see this is a PCB and this is the LED circuit connected in parallel. Okay, now let's check the inner parts of the PCB. Here you can see there is a two-way switch with which we can control the intensity of the light, and if we see the circuit carefully, this is the AC supply receiver and this is the DC supply receiver. Here you can see the prescribed parameters of the supply. AC should be given within 100 and 240 volts with a frequency of 50 or 60 Hz, and the DC supply should be between 5 to 7 volts. And again in the circuit, if we check carefully, here you can see there is a LED indicator of charging. Here the skinny color with stripes and the blue color with stripes are the resistors. These black cylindrical things are the bipolar junction diodes. These cylindrical elements are the electrolytic capacitors, and these half cylindrical elements are the transistors. And also you can see a big red element. This is called a capacitor. Now the combination of this capacitor and these four diodes form the AC to DC conversion unit. Now let's check how this circuit works. First, while working, these batteries which are in parallel provide a DC supply, and this current goes through a simple circuit of capacitor and resistors to give the sufficient amount of current to the LED supply here. And when the switch is pulled down for the dim light, then the resistor value will be more, so that the current here will be less and the intensity of light decreases here. And when we push the button to the strong option, the current flowing through this will be greater and the intensity of the light increases. The circuit normally fails when there is overcharging, due to which this red capacitor gets damaged. When this happens, while charging, the LED indicator glows, but there will be no supply to the batteries because the capacitor has been damaged. And also when these transistors get damaged, these LED lights glows even when the circuit is being charged, which is not desired. Now let's assemble the LED light back and check if it is working or not. Now you can check when we push the switch up, the LED glows bright, and when we pull the switch back, it glows dimmer. So it's working normal, and let's fix it again. Okay, now let's check if it is working fine. This light is dim and this light is strong. Yes, it's working normal now. This is my submission for DIY assignment 3. Thank you.